Let's look at other types of content and other things that you can kind of do in order to see and kind of basically deliver 3D content. So what we saw so far was basically allowing you to see a 3D asset on the floor next to you. That's called surface tracking or surface detection, basically using a technology called SLAM that allows you to kind of triangulate the area around you and project a 3D model on top of it. Other things that you could do is stuff like image recognition and face recognition. So let me show you how that works too. So if we click this button right here, again, opens the QR codes, but now instead of do see on the floor, I'm going to do see on an image. If you're watching this live, again, you can kind of scan it yourself and see it with me. I'm going to scan this QR code right here, redirects to website. Again, you don't need to install anything. Camera will open up, it basically will instantiate, and then the Empire State Building will basically pop out of the screen. Now, instead of having the Empire State Building sit on the floor, it sits on this image. This image right now is a QR code. This image could be anything that you want. It could be a magazine or a business card, and we're going to show later how that works. So basically allowing you to add any image that you want. Perfect. So we saw surface detection, we saw image